So today is 18th February 2024. We have discovered something that you can go by bus from KL Central. We are going in a bus right now. I'm taking Srinivas. Okay, even a air hostess is going over there. You can see a Malaysian air hostess over there. Srinivas here. There are a lot of Malaysian air hostess. This is a bus which is about 15 ringgit from KL Central. So you do not have to pay 65 ringgit by taxi. We have two big bags, am I right, Srinivas?
Yes, two big bags.
Yeah, two big bags. There are a lot of air hostess over here. The train is 55 ringgit. The train is 55 ringgit. Okay. Taxi will be more than 65-70 ringgit, but this bus is only 15 ringgit. It's only 15. This is Abhinandan. Okay. See, if you had gone in a taxi, see, each time we discover something. So if you have gone in a taxi, we would have paid 65 to 70 ringgit. Okay. And while coming back, again I have to pay by taxi 65 or 70 ringgit, or I have to pay. Yeah, I just spoke to the air hostess over there. I did not want to record. Did I speak, Srinivas?
Yes.
Yeah, I spoke to the air hostess. Even for air hostess, I asked her, Malaysian Airlines, they do not pay for her. See, this is a temple, a Hindu temple here. See, very nice. We have not seen. Okay. So even the air hostess over there told their airlines do not pay for them to go to the airport, and paying 35 ringgit is expensive for her. Say, you, Mukul and all will tell, I want taxi. Okay. They come, air hostess is paying and going by bus. There are many air hostess sitting over there. So I was very curious. I asked the air hostess, you people can go by KL Express or in a taxi. She told it is expensive. Point number one. I told KL Express, only company give you, the KL Express means a train. She told it is 35 ringgit, but they don't pay. Okay, so the bus is only 8 ringgit for them. But for foreign tourists, it is 15 ringgit. I paid 15 right now. Srinivas paid 15. Am I right, Srinivas?
Yes.
We have paid 15 ringgit. So in 15 ringgit, you can come from the airport. And some buses are even 10 ringgit also are there. I think there are 10 ringgit buses also. So from the airport, you can come with a 10 ringgit. See, from our apartment, we came right now in this card. Let me show you. See, from the airport, we came in this card. Am I right, Srinivas?
Yes.
This card with our luggage of 30 kgs, two baggages. Total 35 kgs. I carried one bag, Srinivas carried one bag, and we came in 11 ringgit. See, I'm showing you how you can be economical if you want to be. I have money, but I don't show off, I don't spend. Am I right?
Yes.
Okay. So I looked on the Google, I came here, I'm surprised to see a Malaysian Airlines. Malaysia Airlines is a government-owned airlines. Malaysian government-owned, like Air India. And they are not paid to go to the airport. They have to go on their own, and that air hostess says 35 ringgit to go is expensive. Okay, so next time you can come by bus. I will come by bus from the airport, because buses will be 24 hours. Train, KL Express will be only till night 12 o'clock and starts at morning 6 o'clock. But buses are there for every half an hour from the airport to KL Express, to New Central, No, I am shocked. Air hostess, there are many air hostess sitting in the front also. Extremely good looking, beautiful air hostess. Such a beautiful air hostess who will be earning more than 10,000 ringgit per month. She is saying 35 ringgit is expensive going in a train. 65 ringgit by a taxi is expensive, she told me. Am I right or wrong, Srinivas?
Yes.
Say loudly, yes, sir.
Yeah.
Okay?
Yes.
So she told the bus will be only 8 ringgit and she goes by bus. But for local people it is 10 ringgit. But for foreigners it is 15 ringgit. This is a luxury bus. But there are cheap bus also, I think, which is only 10 ringgit buses are there, which is 24 hours. See, this is video I'm making it to my people. Local people in Malaysia don't know this. You ask them, they will never know. See, this bus is so luxurious, AC bus. We put our 30 kg suitcase. Am I right or wrong?
In fact, 35.
35 kgs totally Srinivas is carrying. Okay. And exactly at 7 o'clock it left. It is now 7 o'clock sharp. Every 30 minutes is the flight. Every 30 minutes is this bus from KL Central. Remember that. New Central, KL Central. From KL Central, if you have this card, okay, in 1 ringgit you can travel. From our apartment condo, in 1 ringgit we came. 1 ringgit we came to KL Central. Srinivas took some chocolates for his daughters.
Yes.
Am I right?
Yes.
For 40 ringgit he took chocolate. Okay. Expensive chocolates he took. And then I had searched online in the bus. There are buses from 10 ringgit to 15 ringgit to airport. So I am going to drop Srinivas. But if I had gone, repeating once again, if I had gone by a taxi, how much a taxi would cost? 75 ringgit or 80 ringgit. All of you paid that time 180 ringgit, but 108, 110 ringgit because 3 people were going, 4 people were going. That will work out nicely. Okay, 25 ringgit will work out. Okay, 25 ringgit also means 500 rupees. I, Abhinandan, who earns $5,000 to $10,000 per month, will go by a bus in Bangalore from the airport because sometime the cab will be 1,500 rupees, 1,200 to 1,500. Because this is the topic I'm talking, this topic right now. I was starting to see air hostess traveling in a bus. So what is wrong? Many sometimes girls will tell, I don't travel in a bus, and this is a lesson for them. Air hostess was making more than 10,000 ringgit, more than 2 lakh rupees. That's the minimum I'm telling you. They may make more than that. Okay? She told very nicely and humbly, am I right, Srinivas? Very humbly, she told, maybe she's listening, that's okay. She told it's very expensive. She told, I told how much? 35 ringgit by train. Taxi means more than 65. I asked, I'm repeating this 3 times so it should go to your brain. So I asked, don't your Malaysian Airlines provide you? She told, no, they don't. In India, they pamper their air hostess. Okay? So, now coming to the point is that anyone who's traveling from India to airport can come by this kind of nice luxury bus. How is the seat, Srinivas?
Outstanding.
Outstanding. Am I right? Where are you?
Money, value for money.
Value for money. For 15 ringgit. Later I will check for 10 ringgit also. There are other buses. This is called Sky Bus or something. This is called Sky Bus. Okay, you get a nice city view. In a train you don't get a city view. Okay. And daytime, nighttime, more safer and precise time. Every 30 minutes there's a train.
Bus.
Huh?
Bus.
Yeah, every 30 minutes, even 24 hours, there's a train at 15 ringgits. And you can put your
Bus.
30 ringgits bus, 15 ringgit. For 15 ringgit, this is a bus from airport to KL Central. If you already have a card like this, and if it is morning time, for 1 ringgit, you don't have to spend money for a taxi. You will be spending little more. Say I'm sitting over here, I and Srinivas will discuss right now. I'm making a video, I'm seeing the nice view. 4-axle bus it is. Okay, you have put a 35 kg luggage baggage, and you are traveling very comfortably. Okay. air hostess is trying to reduce my voice. So I'm going to stop the video and okay. So contact Abhinandan and I'll give you more information. So we'll go to the airport, eat nicely. I'll reduce the voice now because the air hostess got disturbed by my voice. So now we'll go to the airport. His flight got postponed to 12:30. So since we saved from 135 ringgit expenses, okay, 135 or 140 it could have costed. Okay, the total expenses is only now 45. That means for me to come back also it will be 15 ringgit. So 45. So I can eat nicely over there. I can treat Srinivas for a nice dinner in the airport. Okay, and we can come. So thank you very much. Contact Abhinandan on the number coming on the screen here. Welcome to Malaysia. If you have 90,000 rupees to start a global business, you should have 90,000 rupees and another 25,000 to 30,000 rupees to travel one time. So plan your ticket, book your flight ticket for March 29th. March 30th there's a very big event. March 30th there is a very big event where 5,000 people will gather. 5,000 people from Malaysia, Singapore, Indonesia, Philippines, Thailand, Taiwan and India and other countries worldwide will be gathering on March 30th, 2024. So you should come on March 29th, but before that you have to join with 90,000 rupees. Before that you have to join with 90,000. Okay, if you join with 90,000, that side the view is very nice. Some stadium went over there that side. Okay, so you have to join with 90,000 rupees. Okay, make your people to join with 90,000 rupees or 1000 USDT. 1000 USDT or 90,000 rupees for what? For a health technology, for a health technology device, for a health technology device for fitness, for your complete family fitness and health. Complete family fitness and health, which is a fantastic product. More than 100,000 people are using this particular device. Okay, so learn to make money, learn to save money like that air hostess and a lot of other air hostess. These air hostess who are making more than 10,000 ringgit, they can go by taxi every time. In fact, 4 of them can go in a taxi. If 4 of them go in a taxi also, it will cost them 15 ringgit. They don't want to spend so much. Because why? The bus is 8 ringgit. So there are people who will show off. Oh, I want to go in a taxi only. Okay? So you can travel in a luxury bus like this and learn to earn money, save money, make more money. Don't spend money unnecessarily. Okay? So book your flight ticket for 29th of March 2024. Earlier they book, it will be very cheap. Know the advantages. There is no visa right now, so you have great advantage. Okay, so I'm going to stop the video right now. Ask for more details. Abhinandan and the number coming on the screen over here. So I'll stop the video. It was a 15 minutes. If you have heard so much, great. Thank you very much.